Hi friends, this is Colleen. Welcome to my channel. Today we're making a quick Crescent Moon Halloween wreath. I've wanted one forever because it's the perfect spooky witchy vibe. I made this with things I already had, so it cost me nothing. I didn't get a lot of this on video because I haven't been feeling well, so please bear with me. So you'll start by sizing your wreath to fit your door so it looks balanced. Plot your measurement points onto the cardboard so you know exactly where to place your pencil and anchor. Then tie string to a pencil, anchor the string in the center, and sweep it around to draw your circle. Cut the shape out with scissors or a utility knife. I reinforce the base with popsicle sticks and a few toothpicks at stress points, so it stays sturdy once it's hanging. Next I hot glued pillow stuffing onto the cardboard to give it a soft dimension. It makes the moon look plush and full without buying anything. I wrapped it with strips of black fabric for a sleek, moody backdrop. Then layered a sparkly spiderweb mesh from an old cape to give it that Halloween shimmer. I pulled the edges tight and glued them to the back so everything sits smooth and snug. Next, I took apart an old Halloween garland and used the leaves, picks, and flowers to decorate the wreath. If you're enjoying this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below. I glued a sticky eyeball in the center of the middle flower for a creepy, cute touch. I wanted it fuller, so I grabbed some extra flower heads I had. I painted them a deep purple and highlighted the edges with silver and a bit of silver glitter glue for that glam shimmer. Then I added some bats I'd cut out years ago for my window, threading fishing line through them so they could hang and move a little. I also tied a few glass crystals from the bottom with fishing line to give it sparkle and motion. Finally, I glued a plastic hoop to the back for hanging. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, it really means the world. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I'm just getting started here on YouTube and your support helps this channel shine brighter every week. I'm obsessed with how this turned out. It's eerie, sparkly, and totally Halloween glam.